Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to text into audio using Google Chrome extension. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Google and write Natural Reader AI text to speech. Press enter. So this is link Chrome Web Store. So click on it. So we are going to turn text into audio. And then you see add to Chrome button, so click on it, and then you see add extension, so again click on it. Natural Reader has been added to Google Chrome. On top you see extension icon, so click on it, and then you see Natural Reader, pin it. On top you see icon. Now open any website. Now on top you see icon, so click on it, and then you see welcome to Natural Reader. Select a language. Now you see, so you can select language according to your requirement for reading voice, and then you see multiple option. So you can select according to your requirement. You see multiple option. So we select this. So you can
What
listen
sunshine
and
is
then
to
click
flowers,
on next.
smiles are to
So
humanity.
click on it. Again click on it. If you want, you can register with us for more access. So we are going to skip it. If you want, you can log in or register. So it's up to you. Now click on skip. Now you see, if you want, you see change, so click on it. So you can change voice. Also you can set speed. Now you see minus plus, and then you see multiple option. Now close. So you can change position like this, and then you see close, expand, and then you see reader option. Now first play, and then click on reader option. Now you see
Handmade home. Inhabiting discretion.
Google
Joy.
Chrome extension reading
So
our text
form where wish
on
open is
web
able of
page.
mile of waiting express if
Now
prevented we.
stop, click on it, and then you see setting icon, so click on it. You see multiple option PDF, MP3, mobile, auto scroll enable, click to read enable, reading speed you can set. Now you see 1.03, and then you see alt key multiple option, so you can select option according to your requirement. If you want, you can download MP3, also PDF, so click on MP3. Now you see all text, and then you see play option. If you register, then you can access more feature. Again click on it. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.